Tens of thousands of people are in Chicago this weekend for the Lollapalooza Music Festival. The event is requiring attendees to either prove they are fully vaccinated or show they have tested negative for the virus within the last 3 days.
Several health systems and hospitals here in the Milwaukee area announcing this week that they will also mandate vaccinations. Ben Jordan goes in depth to explain the potential legal ramifications for requiring vaccinations.
The Medical College of Wisconsin says it already has 90% of its 6,000 employees vaccinated. MCW is now mandating the remaining workers to get their shots by November 1st. A wave of Wisconsin health systems say they will mandate COVID-19 vaccines for employees. Medical College of Wisconsin CEO Dr. John Raymond says the emergence of the Delta variant is the primary factor behind the decision.
It's really gained a foothold here in our community. We also see rising cases, rising hospitalizations, and rising numbers of people that are sick.
Is there a concern for the legal liability of mandating a vaccine?
Well, that's always a consideration, and people, if they're sufficiently motivated and disagree, can always try to pursue a legal avenue.
This spring, Houston Methodist Hospital became the first health system in the country to require employee vaccinations. Last month, a federal judge in Texas dismissed a lawsuit filed by more than 100 employees who challenged the mandate. Since then, the American Hospital Association reports more than 9% of hospitals across the country have followed suit with similar mandates. The Medical College of Wisconsin, Children's Wisconsin, and Ascension Wisconsin all joining the growing list of health systems requiring vaccinations with exemptions in place.
The legal risk is probably low, but even so, we have to do the right thing, and I know there's judgment involved.
Shannon Toole is a Milwaukee lawyer who focuses on labor and employment litigation. She says employers can legally fire certain employees who refuse to abide by the vaccination mandate.
It is legal for an employer to say, hey, employees, you must be vaccinated in order to come to work. Now, the question is whether or not it's in the best interest of the employer to do that.
Toole says that's because employers are legally obligated to provide exemptions for those who have health or religious reasons for not getting vaccinated.
Under the Americans with Disabilities Act, if somebody, say, had a disability that prevented them from getting the vaccine, it's likely that they would be protected from being terminated because they were not vaccinated.
Dr. Raymond says the medical college has mandated annual influenza vaccines for the past 8 years, and throughout that time, they've had a committee made up of ethicists and providers who make exemption decisions.
Although, to be honest with you, we generally just give a dozen or two exemptions each year, and we have an employee base of about 6,000.
Dr. Raymond wouldn't say if the hospital would terminate those who refuse, but he does expect some will choose to quit.
We're going to do everything we can to make people comfortable and help them understand why we're doing the vaccinations, but at the end of the day, we probably will lose some employees.
Ascension, Children's, and the Medical College are all giving their employees 3 months to get fully vaccinated. Reporting at the Medical College, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.